Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Photos. This connects your gallery to the cloud. Once done, pick where the image is live, phone gallery, SD card, or a desktop folder, and make sure you have Wi-Fi or adequate cellular data. You should also verify available Google storage and battery level so uploads don't fail midway. These steps prevent interruptions and explain why starting with a stable connection and correct source saves time. Next, select the items you want to move to Google Photos. Use long press on mobile or Shift plus click on desktop to multi-select, then hit Upload or Backup. Make a deliberate choice between original quality and storage saver, because quality impacts storage quotas and future edits. Once uploaded, organize into an album, add descriptions, and watch the progress indicator in Library. If you're uploading a large batch, stagger uploads or use folders to keep the process manageable. And finally, confirm your photos appear in albums and search. Indexing can take a few minutes, so wait if necessary. If items are missing, retry the upload, clear the app cache, or upload via the Google Drive/backup and sync desktop client to avoid mobile hiccups. Make sure your account has storage space and that files are supported. Convert HEIC or some RAW formats when they aren't displaying. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs or security apps that can block upload connections, then reattempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.